Hi, everybody. Welcome back to Book Talk with Notion Press. Here we have with us Miss,
Suprabha,
author of.
a nuanced pause.
So, how is it visiting the world's largest book fair?
Yeah, it's my first time visiting a
Right.
book fair. It's my first time being an author. It's basically like a lot of firsts.
Right.
But this is huge, right? Like, I
Right.
can't imagine the number of people who are coming in here, especially school kids. Wonderful to see, like, all the publishers, everybody
Yeah.
under one roof. So it's like a delight to be here.
Right.
Yes.
What is one thing about your book you would say stands out in its genre or theme?
So I think one thing which would really stand out about my book is basically that it will resonate.
Right.
The words are kept simple so that you're not looking at a dictionary to know what I'm saying.
Okay. It's approachable.
But yes, it's approachable simply because once you know what the word is, then you're spending a little more time on the introspection, which is
Right.
what the book is going to let you do. Yeah.
So, as a writer, what are some of the biggest challenges you faced writing this book?
I think the writing part is easier. I think somebody who's not from this field,
Right.
what is very probably challenging is okay, now that the book is done,
Right.
what next? Where do I go? Who do I approach? Like even
Right.
designing the cover, and these are
Right.
the challenging part of it. Because if you're a writer, I think writing comes a bit easier, right?
So, as a writer, would you have any advice for other budding writers or
I would say do what you know best, which is writing. Get the writing done because I interacted with a lot of people over the last 2-3 months where they're always hesitating to even put something together
Right.
out there, right? So I would say you will tackle the rest of it once you have the book draft ready.
Wonderful advice,
Yeah,
Sam.
yeah.
Thank you so much
Thank
for sharing
you.
your
Thank you so
experience. I
much,
hope you
yeah.
have a wonderful
Yeah.
book fair.
Take care. Yeah,
Thank
see
you.
you.